So guys, you are trying to play GTA San Andreas and you're wondering how to do that. So let me show you how you can play and download GTA San Andreas on your Windows computer. So first, what you have to do is just open your browser. It can be Chrome or it can be any browser you want. Then from here, just search for Rockstar. Alright, search for Rockstar and you will find this first result. Just open this website, wait for it to load. Right, so this is the Rockstar website. So this is GTA 6. I'm waiting for this game for a long time. So what you have to do now, from the search here, just search for GTA San Andreas. Now just wait, and as you can see, these are all the games, all GTA games you'll find. GTA 4, GTA Chinatown, and this is a game we are looking for, GTA San Andreas. So here you will find all the games, alright, all GTA games. So right now we are looking for GTA San Andreas. So as you can see, this is where we can find GTA San Andreas, and you can read this. Now from here, what you have to do is press this buy now option, and now it has been converted to GTA Trilogy. So you don't have to worry about this, that this trilogy contains 3 games. So this is basically GTA Vice City, GTA 3, GTA San Andreas. This is a collection, so you don't have to buy separate games for each. You don't have to pay separately for each games. So this is the new version. So this is San Andreas. So now from here, select PC if you are on your PS5, select PS5, PS4, Xbox. So right now we are doing it on PC. Just go for PC and then press this buy now button. Now all you have to do is create a Rockstar account. So I have already created one. I'm not going to do that, but for the first time, if you are doing this, then create an account. So now we have logged into our Rockstar account. So it takes some time. Now what you have to do is just select your payment method and pay for the game. So once you have done the payment, once you have completed the payment, then what you have to do is go back to the first website. So now after you have completed your payment, go to get launcher. Now here, download for Windows. Let me download it for Windows. So now open folder. We have to install this launcher on our device. Alright, so let me quickly install this launcher. Select your language, continue, accept, continue. Alright, now we have to log in again. So once you have logged into your Rockstar launcher, this is how the launcher looks like. You'll find all the games here. Alright, so we are looking for this game, this one. So now I have not bought the game, but as you have bought the game earlier, you will find here an install button. Alright, just tap the install button and you are good to go. Then you will be able to play San Andreas, GTA Vice City, GTA 3 at the same time. You have to choose the game you want to play. Alright, just choose GTA San Andreas and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and have a great day.